So, kailangan nandoon lahat yung dito, no? So, wag doon. Okay, hanggang dito lang. Ayan, no? Kung may lumampas lang ng konti. Ayan. Ito naman, this is our sterile dish rack. Okay, wala tayong container for okay. Pwede natin gamitin ito. Ayan, this is the container. Dito na lang tayo mag-prepare na. So, wala tayong container. Pwede natin gamitin ito as the container for para mag-dry natin yung ano. No? Of course, I have already gathered the materials for sterilizing, washing, sterilizing. Okay. And then, preparation of formula milk. So, I have here the, ginagalaw yung ano natin. Pakilak mo ito. Okay. So, I have here the sterilizer. Okay. Ayan. So, I have already discarded leftover milk. I also rinse it before putting it here, no? So, ayan. Okay. Okay, I do my hand washing. Pour water, warm water here for my rinsing. And I'll pour a soapy water. Ayan. Okay, liquid soap. So, start with brushing the teeth, no? Or the bottles. Okay. So, you're going to do your, okay. Ayan. Kasi separate yung baby bathing natin. Separate ito, separate naman yan. No? You're going to do it. So, ito po yung ano natin. Okay. Then, ayan. Okay. Then, lagay natin sa ano natin. Force. Okay, include also yung mga ganyan yan. Ayan. Okay. So, okay, for this one, kaya lang, mas maganda ito, no? So, ito natin. Ayan. Para maalis natin yung mga curdle. And of course, for the teeth, no, you're going to put them. And check for the hole if there are still curdled milk. Okay. Ayan. So, check. Ayan. So, kasan ng mabuti. Ayan. Dalawa yung naialagay natin. So, that is how to check. You check. There are ano. Do not, yung iba kasi ginaganyan na nila. Masisira po yung ano natin. Ayan. Especially, this is an ordinary. Ayan. Then, of course, with a foam, your spatula, okay, then your clipper or thumb. Then, wash your brush and hang it. Ayan. For example, naihang na natin yung ano natin. Okay. Then, you're going to rinse. Diba? Rinse this one. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Mabuti. Ayan. Okay, pwedeng dyan. Okay, halimbawa, ito yung ano natin. Parang ano tayo. Okay. Upside down po tayo. Okay. Ayan. Kasi hindi naman kaagad ilalagay dyan. Ayan. Kaya lang, kung talagang ano, in reality, pwede nga natin ano, diretso, di ba? Rinse. Ayan. Okay, rinse. Okay, kaya mas magandang may ganito para dyan na kayo maglalagay. Ayan. Okay. Kung wala talaga, no choice, pwede natin gamitin ito. And of course, this one. Ayan. So you're going to put them, okay. Starting from here, you can now sterilize okay. So you're going to sterilize, set aside that. So open. Okay, the cover. Dito. Para may balance. Yan. So, as I have said, yung mga maliliit na ano is dito tayo. You can use your hand because you have already do your hand washing. Just after is ano na kayo. Ayan. And of course, for the bottle, up, down. Then, of course, this one. Ayan. Then, you're going to cover. Okay. Plug in and wait for the sterilization. Pour water. Nakalimutan natin. Pour water. Cover. Then, you're going to plug in. Then, wait for the sterilization process based on the manufacturer's manual. Okay. While waiting, you can now also discard all of this. Ayan. So, ano kayo ng isang basin para sa soaking natin. Okay. For the warm water. No? Okay. So, once the sterilization process is already done, okay, unplug, then do your hand washing. Ayan. Okay. Kasi sterile na yon, no? Okay, rinse. Then, open. Okay. So, use the tongue, no? To get all your, the bottle. Ayan. For example, this one, pwede na ninyong ilagay ito dito. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Assemble. Diba? Okay. And here. So, of course, if you know how to use your tongue, then, halimbawa ito, hindi ko makuha, di ba? You can just slide it like this. Place it there. Then, you're going to get the bottle. Okay. Upside down ang position ng mga bottles natin, ha? Kasi hindi naman, lahat yan is pagtimplahan mo. Ayan. Okay. Then, you get also this one. Okay. Okay, ito, pag talagang, ayan. Oh. Matulog kirin. Oh, yan, no? Now, you're going to prepare, kasi pag dito, no? You're going now to prepare a meal. Ayan. So, pwede mong kunin ito, ilagay natin dito, except for the nipple. Ayan. Diba? Para ganyan. Okay? Of course, you can also have this one. Ayan. Okay. Pwede mo nang gamitin, i-ano na mo lahat yan. Okay. Then, kasi para maano na natin, i-cover mo na yan. Kasi dito ang gagamitin mo. Then, put this one in a container. Ayan, clean container because this is sterile. Okay. So, you have also to check the formula. Ayan. So, the expiration is still good, no? Okay. And you have already prepared for the distilled water. So, the ratio is, for example, the ratio is 2:1. Of course, you're going to look at your, nandito po yung natin. Ayan, kasi halimbawa, mo na. Okay, ayan. Nandito yung, saan yung, hindi ko makita. Saan yung 60 dyan? 30 ml ang nandun, that is your 1 ounce, and then this is your 60. Ayan. So, to pour, yun? To pour water, okay, you're going to do it this way. Do not lift the bottle and doing it this way. No? Ayan. Ganyan. Kaya sabi ko, you have to prepare your, your table. Disinfect, yung naipakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Then, you're going to do it this way. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, ganyan. Then, see to it that it is 60 ml. Then, you're going to, ayan. So, huwag niyong igaganyan, no? Okay, huwag niyong igaganyan dito sa may Okay. So, that is the use of our spatula. Ayan. So, ganyan po siya. Ayan, no? Ayan. Hindi po yung ganun. Okay? Ganyan, no? So, ganyan. Tapos, ayan. Then, you're going to lagay. Ilagay nyo na ganun, nyo nga itatouch. Okay. Then, cover this one para hindi. Always the lid, no? The cover should be like this. Even this one. Okay. So, ayan. Then, you're going to cover this one. Okay. Okay. Cover also this one para hindi nyo makalimutan. Ayan. Kasi nakaano na tayo. So, there is no already contamination there. The nipple is covered very well. Then, now you're going to rub the formula. How method of mixing your formula milk? Okay. Rub between palm. Okay, hanga jay kas jay niya. Okay, noon ganun Inaalis pa nga natin yung cup, di ba? Tapos ilalagay yung kamay, tapos Okay, ako rin ganun ako noon. Okay. Nurse na nga ako doon Pero I do not have this one. They do not teach this one sa nursing kasi. Sa caregiving. So, ganyan. Okay, this is what we call palm rolling or rub between palm. Kaan niya palm to palm. Okay, rub between palm or your circular motion. Ayan. Sideways. Okay. Figure of 8. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Then, soak this one. Kasi, kung gusto mong warm, then, soak it in a warm water. Ayan. Then, of course, you're going now to feed the baby. And patency of the nipple, and of course, the formula. Then, cover it. Get the baby. Asan ang baby natin? Of course, ilagay nyo na, hello baby, kain ka na po. Ayan. Okay. Malipatan tayo niya. Ako lang yan.
Lalo ba bumili ako na?
Okay. Lagyan mo ng bib. Ayan. So, yung bib natin is dito ha. Ganyan natin. Okay. Then, get your burping towel. Yan. Okay. If you have another towel, yan, pwede natin ilagay dito sa crook ng ano natin. Okay. Or kung wala, gamitin natin yon para sa kanyang, okay, pwede natin ilagay dito para hindi siya, yan. Okay. So, kung wala talaga, nakalimutan nyo. Kasi tatlo yung ano yun eh. Okay. Sa isang ano kasi is, the other towel is you're going to place it at the crook of your hand. Sabi doon, no? Okay. So, okay, you're going to sit. Do not feed the baby while standing in a standing position. Okay, hold the baby in a semi-upright position. So if you look at this one, that is my semi-upright position. Ayan. Hindi masyadong ganyan. Kasi atas na dito. Ayan. Then, you're going to tickle. Ayan. Okay, or ikasay mo lang mo dyan. Hand mo na natin. Kung gusto nyo, dito rin. Ayan. Mostly is, ang nire-recommend namin is dito. And kasi para kayong nagpapa-tanto tayo. Kasi yung banding ninyong dalawa. Ayan, tickle. Then, you're going to place your, pwede naman para hindi sagaban, kasi mamaya mahuhulog pa yan. Ayan. Then, open. Then, you're going to slightly, ayan, i-hold yun ng ganyan. Then, once you have the nipple is already inside the mouth, that's the time you're going to slightly tilt. Like this. To fill the nipple with milk. To prevent, what is the problem? Colic, di ba? Ingestion of air. Ayan. And then, wait for, okay, the 30 ml. Pag nakita nyo na, then you're going to, ayan. Then, burp. So, pwede nyo ilagay, dito. Depende sa comfort ninyo. Then, hold the baby like this. Then, you're going to burp the baby. Okay, burp. Ayan. Okay, pag wala, of course, for 1 minute na nag-burp, wala. Okay, mag-burp ka agad yan pag mayroon talagang gas. Then, put now again the other. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Then, slightly tilt again to finish the half of the formula. Then, after feeding, ayan, ilagay nyo na yan, ganyan talaga yan. Then, you're going to burp. Ayan. Okay. So, pag burp na yan, of course, after how many minutes, okay, so you at least for 30 minutes, okay, ayan, ayan. Then, if you want the baby to go to sleep, or pag wala sa mother, pag nandyan na yung mother, pwede, or if there is no one to take care, then, put the baby to sleep. Prior to that, you have first to check for that, okay, ayan, punta na kayo sa crib, di ba? Halimbawa, ito yung crib, remove the bib, kasi mag-aano nga yan. Ayan. Put that again in the hamper. Check pa yung matday pikalugong. Ayan. Okay. Alisin mo na rin ito. Ayan. Then check the diaper. Pag umihi, kasi di ba yung mga iba, basta ito. Kasi yung mga iba, di ba is, pagkatapos, habang nagdididi, is tatain na rin ang mga yan. Ayan. Okay. Wala. Then you're going to put the baby to sleep. Then you're going to lock the crib. Then do your aftercare. So, ito yung mga aftercare natin ulit. So, just, okay, iwan nyo na doon para bahala na yung next na gagamit. Okay, for this one, then, lagyan nyo ng mga ito, kasi ito is na, may container tayo. Yan. Okay, gagamit. Again, yun na yung natin. So, yung aftercare natin is ganyan ulit. Okay, halimbawa, meron tayo dito. Kung may isang tray, yun na lahat, doon nyo ilalagay. Then, you're going to, sa aftercare natin is, iganyan nyo ulit dito. Iganyan lahat dito. And then, pwede nyo na lang i-ganyan yan. Okay. This one is, nakalagay na sa isang, halimbawa kung may tray ka dyan, minsan na yun. Okay. So, that is our aftercare. Para at least, malinis-linis lahat na iiwan mo.